What are my thoughts about performing at IFA? Right now, I'm not thinking about IFA. I'm sure it should be good. I've not been performing very much of late, so let's see how it goes. I think it should be fine. Don't expect a Hrithik Roshan kind of performance or a Tiger Shroff kind of performance from me. But it'll be different. 4 साल या 5 साल, I think. 4 या 5 years, yeah. अब इस बार अब जाऊंगा तो पता चलेगा कितना मिस किया मैंने आईफा को. It's क्योंकि ये जो तीनों जो पार्टनर्स हैं आईफा के वो मेरे बचपन के दोस्त हैं, so it's a special bond that I have with them and they take good care of me. It's all about friendship and love and I really like these guys. ये सिर्फ आईफा के टाइम पर ही मेरे साथ में नहीं होते. They're with me always. I mean, I meet up with them very often, and they've always stood by me. They've always been with me. So it's a different kind of connect altogether. Viraf, Andre, and Sabas. ये वो जो एक 4 दिन की छुट्टी होती है वो मैं मिस करता हूँ. सर काम कर रहा था सर. क्योंकि जो ये 3-4 आईफा हुए हैं वो काफ़ी दूर हुए हैं और क्योंकि मैं फिल्म में बैक टू बैक कर रहा था तो उनमें वो डेट्स एडजस्ट नहीं हो पाए. तो कभी मैं कश्मीर में था तो कभी मैं और था तो कभी मैं और था, तो वो डेट्स हो नहीं पाए. अब मैनेज हो गए इस साल के डेट्स, तो जा रहा हूँ. I don't think he misbehaved. I don't think he misbehaved at all. Well, just the other day, I was coming up from the airport. One journalist, kept her mic in my friend's face, and so he just moved the mic and he said, "What's wrong with you, idiot?" So I had to look at it and I said, "And my dad is 80 something. You can't come and stick, you're young people. You can't come and stick your mics in front of him. What if he falls?" This is to happen with Sohail. Please don't try this stuff with me. Where's my parents? Where's my parents? My family, my friends, especially my mother, Helen auntie, my dad. We're young people. You can do this with us. Don't do this because you will not like this if I do it in front of you, your parents. So have that respect. See, now you're standing here like this. It's so cool. Now you're competing with each other, and no one's getting any bite. No one's getting any statement. So if my brother at that point in time is concerned for my father, he's not abusing you. He's just, feeling really shit about that whole situation that took place. It shouldn't have happened. If you guys have behaved yourself, that would have never happened. Why are you provoking? Don't provoke like this. Keep your distance. आप एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़े जा रहे हो to get your mics in front. You have the decorum, no? We all stand. Who doesn't stand and who does not talk to people here? We all do. But there's one section who does not just want to, keep that decorum intact. We're seniors. What time were you there? Now, my brother and my father were having a nice dinner together. What time did you go there? And what is this ridiculous statement that you wanted to find out about? What was the time? 12 o'clock in the night. You want to know whether I'm getting married or not? So, that's not cool. And they stood there, no? They stood there nicely.
Salman, but at this platform, can we really ask? A lot of fans are also anticipating.
अरे नहीं बाबा यार.
अरे एक मिनट यार. अरे एक मिनट question पूछ रहा है. Salman, no, I mean a lot of fans. You have million fans. One second. You have million fans in India and abroad. The question is, will you actually marry Ulya Vantur? Because there is a lot of speculation.
That is my thing.
One second, guys.
That's my thing. I don't even know your name. Why should I tell you, dude? That's my thing. That's for my family, for me. Okay? When I want to get married, I will get married. I don't need to tell you when I'm getting married. Understand that? If I want to do that, I will tweet it. Okay? If I'm doing that, I'll tweet, I'll put on my Facebook. So that is something that I will keep it to me and my fans.
Sawal